Giancarlo Abraham.
Um, wow! Maraming salamat po. Maraming salamat sa inyong pagdayo sa Shangri-La Plaza sa kabila ng bagyo. Sinimalaya na talaga, no, dahil kasabay natin ang bagyo at ang habagat, no. Pero bumabaha po yung pasasalamat sa inyo, pero mula po sa akin, especially sa team na bumuo nitong Mag-iina, to the team who really mothered to make this film happen. So maraming salamat po. Ipapakilala ko po ngayon ang ating pambihira at talaga namang bigating cast. No? So sisimulan kong tawagin ang ating baby girl, si Alejandra Cortez. Ang kasama din niyang baby boy naman namin, si Lucas Andalio. Kasama rin namin dito bilang kate, si Ness Roque. Ang aming Angela, si Jackie Lou Blanco. Ang aming namang Mita, Agot Isidro. Ang aming Isabel, Cherry Pie Picache. At syempre ang aming Ange, Janine Gutierrez. So as you can see, very powerful women mothering this film, no? Pero ang talagang unang nagluwal nito, no, ay isang playwright, very dear to my heart, very dear friend. This film is based on his award-winning play, Corridors. Let me introduce you to my dear friend, Gelan Varela Luarta. So, hindi ko na po patatagalin, no? Ako ay talagang bumabaha lang yung pasasalamat ko. I think much of the gratitude I have was really when we submitted this to Cinemalaya. In my mind, we were going to make an impossible film. But thanks to all the people here with me on stage and those who are not here with us on stage, things like this become possible. So maraming salamat po sa lahat ng bumubuo ng Mag-iina. And dahil sila po ang ating talagang itinatanghal ngayong gabi, I would like to ask everyone na sabay-sabay po tayong magbow para sa ating so yung totoong bow po muna. No? So kami lang po ay magbow. So mga kaibigan, the team behind Mag-iina.
May we request our filmmakers and production team to stay on stage to receive the certificate of recognition.